Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Kelvin's Kitchen. Today we're making the very best lentil soup recipe. To begin, set a large pot or a Dutch oven over medium heat, add in 3 tablespoons of olive oil, then add in a mirepoix, which consists of 1 large carrot, 1 celery stack, and a medium-sized onion diced. Saute the vegetables until the onion becomes translucent, about 6 to 7 minutes. At this stage, add in 2 teaspoons of kosher salt, which would help the vegetables sweat. And after sweating the vegetables for about 7 minutes or so, add in 2 cloves of garlic, minced. Saute the garlic for about 30 seconds or until fragrant. It is time to season the soup with half a teaspoon of cumin, half a teaspoon of ground coriander, half a teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of dry thyme, a quarter of a teaspoon of cardamom, a quarter of a teaspoon of ground ginger, a quarter of a teaspoon of red pepper flakes, and about a quarter of freshly ground black pepper or to taste. Now give that a stir to wake up the spices, then add in 2 cups of brown lentils. Give that a quick stir to incorporate, then add in 8 cups of either chicken or vegetable broth. Add in 1 cup of peeled plum tomatoes. The tomatoes could be diced or whole, it doesn't matter as they are going to break up in the soup. Go ahead and give it a stir and add in 1 bay leaf. Now increase the heat to high and bring to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, reduce the heat to low and simmer for about 35 to 40 minutes. And after 35 minutes, the lentils will be soft and tender. Taste and adjust salt and pepper to your liking. Now, using a stick blender, go ahead and blend for a few seconds or until you get it to your preferred consistency. And to finish it off, squeeze half a fresh lemon juice and a quarter of a cup of fresh parsley. Go ahead and incorporate the parsley and the lemon juice into the soup. Now, turn the heat off and serve. You may garnish with fresh parsley if you like. Yo, check this out. I think now you are ready to eat. There you guys have it, the very best lentil soup ever. Enjoy, buen provecho, and thanks for watching. Bye.